a 2017 PX2 Ranger WildTrak with the Sync 3 screen. Trying to set up a reverse camera to go on the back of the caravan for when towing. We tried the wireless systems and that sort of thing, and they're all useless. And I don't want another big screen sitting up on the dash. So this system I've got now is integrated into the Sync system. So all it is a long press on one of the steering wheel controls, and up comes the camera on the back of the caravan. Okay, today we're going to be installing a integrated reverse camera to go on the back of the caravan. So the unit's got to go in behind here. So first of all, take this off, this panel off, surrounding the screen, then the two lower panels on each side. I've already unclipped them just to make it easy for videoing. See, it's just got these clips on it. You just pop it out with one of these. So I've done that side, also done that side. Now we're going to take this off on each side. It's quite easy to open that, pull on that, and it'll all unclip. Try not to drop the phone. Okay, this side, pull the middle out first. 6mm there, undo that. Sorry, that was 7mm. You undo that one there. Just grab it. And a little unplug. Try to pull that one out as well, same as we did on the other side. There's two more 7s, one here, one in the same place on the other side. Gets this bottom panel out. Now you just pull these out. I've already undone the clips, so it's not that easy. Clip that whole piece out along there. Now that bit's unclipped, I'll put that away at the back so it doesn't get damaged or broken. To remove this, there's two screws. See them right in the back there? One here each side, and one here each side. Tip this forward. Now we're going to unplug the plugs in the back. And we're left like that. I couldn't get that bit unplugged in there, so I just popped the whole thing out. It's just held in by a clip. So first of all, remove the screen. There's 4 of these. And set aside in a safe place. When the kit comes with the patch lead, you pull this out. You take the plug out of the back. The patch lead plugs into it, and then you plug the plug into the other end of it. And then that has some wiring coming off it, which goes down to this module. That's this one here, goes to the patch loom. Then you have these two, which where you put the screen out, where you took this little one out, which was just there. One goes to that side, one goes to that side. That's just the original one that was always there. Then we put it all back in together. Now you just put it all back together, opposite way till we took it off. Then we have this down here. We'll secure that up under there somewhere. Then you have the black and red with the wire according to the instructions. Get it around so you can see it. It says that on it. All of this now goes, wiring that runs through the back to the WASA cable that goes to the caravan. None of this gets used. There's the cables going up into the back of the stereo unit. This will just secure under here somewhere. The cable runs all the way under the car. Cable tied up, obviously do things underneath. Connects to the back, pulls a plug, goes to that. In the front of the caravan, we have the same thing there, which goes to that. when you have your ignition on, we'll just wait for it to all start up. Okay, if you press and hold the right hand button, switches to the camera. Obviously there's no picture because we're not plugged in. I'll show you that in a minute. Then just press it again, goes back to normal. So now we'll just plug the cable in a moment just to show you how it works. So it's the screen. Press and hold the right hand button. And there you can see my shed behind the caravan. Quite an easy unit to install. We're about to do our first trip with it, so we'll see how it goes.
Okay, and then when driving, we hold down the right arrow on the steering wheel and up will come the screen there for the reverse camera. Thanks for watching our video, guys. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, how about give us a thumbs up. If you want to be kept up to date with our latest videos on tips and hacks and mods and reviews, recipes, all sorts, while we prepare for our big lap, to help you prepare for your big lap, hit the subscribe button. And you can also find us on Facebook at Big Lap on a Budget. You can find us on Instagram as well. And you can also find us on the internet at biglaponabudget.com.au. So we'll see you in our next video. Take care. Bye for now.